Just had a delivery from pjme motorcycle engineers. These are the rd350 bits and the dt125 crank. Get this opened up and see what's inside. Barrels been rebored. Two new Mitaka pistons. Guessing that's the DT crank. And this will be the rd350 crank. There's new seals on there. So that's the new conrod kit on there for the DT125. I'll be getting on with this one next. I'll rebuild this engine first and then I'll drop on and I'll do the rd350 engine. So that's all the bits laid out there on the service trolley for the DTR125. And that's the rest of the bike there. So it's just having a light restoration. As you can see, the forks and everything, it'll just be sheeted off and I'll blow the frame over. Then the engine will be rebuilt and I'll put that in next. There's some more progress on the Tzr2503ma. And the next video I do will be more progress on this bike. So keep an eye out for my next video.